Welcome. In this video, we are going to start with our Teach tab. So, the first part of our Teach tab is how to make a course. So, first, open your Top School app, log in, and we have a tab called as Teach. That is part of our LMS or our learning management system. So, click on Teach. Make sure that if you do have a laptop or a desktop, you can use a laptop or a desktop because the screen is wide and it is much more easy for you to design. Also, if it's not available, it's okay, you can do it with your phones as well. And the procedure for both laptop or desktop or even your application is same. So in courses, just click on add new. So first we are going to create a new course. So what is a course? So that's the basic confusion for teachers, that course in our LMS or our learning management system is a particular class and a particular subject. So click on add new for making a new course. Now whenever you make a new course, make sure for whichever class or subject you're particularly teaching, write that in the title of the course. So if I am teaching, let's say, class 10 science, I'll make a course called as class 10 science. So the course name should consist of your class name and your subject name as well. Make sure that this is the same format that you follow as well, because then it makes much more easy for the students to identify the course. Okay. Now introduction of the course. Now introduction, you can simply write one or two lines. That is, introduction is the introduction of the entire course. That is what the students are going to learn in, let's say, class 10 science subject throughout the year. And also make sure that you create only one course for per subject, that per class and per subject. Now if, let's say, if class 10 science has 8 subjects, so there should be 8 courses, one for each subject. So don't create multiple courses with the same name. Create one course and add all your content for that particular subject and class in that box. So introduction, you can write a few lines, or you can also add an introductory image. You can select any image from your device. So okay, I'll add an introductory image. When you are using your mobile phones, be very extra careful because there are a lot of tabs in one screen. So make sure you don't click on any other tab by mistake. And the first thing you do after creating a course is publish it. If a course is not published, it cannot be mapped by the admin. Have patience and let the screen load. Kindly do not touch multiple buttons until unless the screen is completely reloaded whenever you're doing any process. Okay, so now the course is published. Once the course is published, the publish tab changes to update. That is, whenever you add anything new to the course, make sure you click on the update tab. What it does, it will save all the changes you have made. In case if you do not click on update, then your changes might be lost. So now we have created a course. We have added an introduction. Now we can create chapters. So for creating chapters in curriculum, where it is written write section name, we have to write a chapter name. Now let's say if I'm creating my first chapter, chapter 1, gravitation. Okay, so now this is my first chapter. Now in that chapter, I can create lessons, I can create quiz, I can create assignments. Now you can create chapters as when you're teaching, or if, let's say, after the first chapter I want to create the second chapter, again where it's written plus and write section name over here, write another chapter name, let's say chapter 2, cell biology. So in that way you can create as many chapters as you want. Okay. Again, I would like to stress on the point that as the mobile screen is small, make sure you do not click somewhere else, or in case if your page is loading, let it load, then only go ahead with it. And whenever you do any changes, make sure you click on the update button. And kindly do not make multiple courses of the same name. Create one course, and inside that whatever will come, now let's say for class 10 science, will come under that one particular course only. So that's all about how to make a course. Thank you.